Good day. I am Jayrin Samande, and today I'm gonna be discussing the stages of human development. So, the stages of human development consist of 5 stages. First is the infant stage. Second is the toddler stage, and the third is the adolescence. Fourth is the teen, and lastly the adulthood. So today I'm gonna discuss the differences of these stages of human development. So first, the infant. So the infant stage consists of the human being of being adapting and learning to its environment, such as crawling and trying to walk. So in the infant stage emphasizes the start of the human development. So this infant stage gives opportunity to the infant to develop or adapt its nature depending on its environment. So the infant stage is currently the first stage in the human development, wherein he can learn and acquire different types of learnings into his or her living. So it is important to manage or to guide this stage of human development, because this stage requires care and attention towards the infant or children. So that is the infant stage. So second is a toddler stage. So toddler stage is a stage wherein the child acquires his or her knowledge in terms of his everyday living. So such as crawling, walking, as well as talking, and the basics of communication, as can understand the person it is talking to. So the toddler stage is very it requires as well as a care like a infant. So in this stage, toddler stage requires it to be more attentive, as well as be able to manage its ability to control oneself or another. So the toddler stage is the start of develop of psychological and physical development of a human characteristics. So that is the second stage, which is the toddler stage. So the third stage is the adolescent stage. It is a stage where the psychological and the physical development of a human characteristics is developed. So in this stage, the adolescents are eager to learn or to venture and to discover new knowledge in terms of its environment and its opposite sex. So in this stage, adolescence stage makes the child to be curious in terms of its environment and what are the things that are going on. So in this stage, adolescence, we can say that it is a stage where the child is eager to learn or eager to discover new things around its environment or nature. So the fourth stage is the teen stage. So the teen stage it's a stage where a child or a teen are now in a stage where we can call the puberty. So in this stage, there is a magnificent change in terms of behavior and appearance of the child. This happens because of the amount of hormones that are now present to the developing teen. So in this stage, psychological and physical appearance occur, as well as changes. So in this change, our stage rather, is the teens are often more seeking or curious about their opposite sex as well. So in this stage, we can say that it is the most important stage to be guided by someone who are older than us, so we can decide or we can know the do's and don'ts in this kind of stage, because there are a lot of changes of hormones as well as appearance, which can attract different aspects of human behavior. So that is the fourth stage. So the last stage of human development, which are the fifth one, which is the adulthood. So the adulthood stage, the stage where the puberty stops, as well as the person can be able to develop the psychological and the physical changes of its human behavior, or where it can surpass and stabilize its emotions or feelings towards something. So adulthood occurs, contributes a very significant change in terms of human behavior, because in this stage, adulthood, we can it is more open to any aspects of life. So adulthood can be much more peaceful, but more challenging towards the person, because of the various goals and careers that are needed to be pursued in this kind of stage of human development, in order for him or her to survive. So in this stage, can certainly say that it can manage as well as stabilize its emotions and physical changes than the previous stages of human development. So that's all for this discussion of me talking about the stages of human development. So that's all. Thank you.